Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's solve a quick and interesting math puzzle together. Today we have the question in which x plus 7 square root plus x minus 2 square root is equal to 9. Now we are going to solve this equation. Now the solution is square root x plus 7 plus square root x minus 2 is equal to 9. Now we take square on the both side, left hand side and right hand side. It becomes square of this one and 9 square. Now we have one condition in which a plus b square. We apply this condition here, a plus b square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now we apply this condition on the left hand side of our equation. Here a is equal to this one and x minus 2 is b. Now a square is square root x plus 7 square plus b square, which is this one, square root x minus 2 square plus 2a, this one, square root x plus 7, and b, this one, square root x minus 2 is equal to 9 square, which is equal to 81. Now our equation become square cancel the square root and we get x plus 7. This cancel the square root plus x minus 2 plus 2ab, which is square root x plus 7 into x minus 2 is equal to 81. Now x plus x is equal to 2x and 7 minus 2, 5 plus 2 into square root x plus 7 into x minus 2 is equal to 81. Now on the left hand side we shift 2x plus 5 on the right hand side, this one, and we get 2 square root x plus 7 into x minus 2 is equal to 81. This one minus 2x and 5 minus 5. Further, we have 2 square root x into x, x square, x into 2 minus 2x, 7 into x plus 7x, 7 into 2 minus 14 is equal to 81 minus 5 is equal to 76 minus 2x. Now here 2 into square root x square, this become plus 5x minus 14 is equal to, now we take 2 common, it become 2 into 38 minus x. On the both sides 2 cancel each other and further we get square root x square plus 5x minus 14 is equal to 38 minus x. Now we are going to take square on the both side, and it becomes square on left hand side and right hand side. In this case, square cancels again square root, and we get x square plus 5x minus 14 is equal to, in this case we get a minus b square, and we apply this condition here. 38 become a and x become b. Now it is 38 square plus x square minus 2ab. This is 38 into x. In next step, x square plus 5x minus 14 is equal to 38 square is 1444 plus x square minus 2 into 38 is equal to 76 x. Now x square on both sides cancels each other, and we get the equation 5x minus 14 is equal to 1444 minus 76x. To find the value of x, we take both variables on left hand side, this side, and 14 on this side. It becomes 5x plus this one 76x is equal to 1444, and 14 become plus 14. Now 5 plus 76 is equal to 81x, and this one is equal to 1458. To find the value of x, we divide both sides with 81, and we get here x is equal to 1458 divided by 81, and 81 cancels 1458 by 18. Now we get the value of x, which is equal to 18. This is our answer. To verify this answer, we can apply on our first equation. Here we verify this one, the value of x. Our main equation is square root x plus 7 plus square root x minus 2 is equal to 9. Now in this equation we apply the value of x, which is 18, and let's see the answer. 18 plus 7 square root plus 18 minus 2 square root is equal to 9. Now 18 plus 7 is equal to 25. Now we here square root of 25 plus 18 minus 2 is 16. Square root of 16 is equal to 9. Further, square root of 25 is equal to 5 plus square root of 16 is 4 is equal to 9. Here 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, and 9 is equal to 9. Now we get the answer left hand side is equal to the right hand side. This is the solution of this equation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next maths channel. Thank you very much.